The nice and easy thing about installing these radial reclaimed planks is they're all a nice 4.5 inches wide. So when you're installing them on your wall, there's really no measuring because every single row is going to line up because they're all the same width. And also when you're done, it looks really impressive because they're all a nice 4.5 inches thick. So everybody likes options, and you have lots of options when you're installing these radial wood planks. You can leave the natural side out. You can actually turn a few boards upside down to give it more of a modern rustic look. You can sand some boards, you can sand them and seal them. So you got lots of options when you're trying to customize the look of your wall. So to vary your wall even further and give you another option, you can choose from some of our 3 other colors in the radial wood family. We have the canteen green, we have the linen white, and we have the crimson red. And lastly is our natural face radial wood that you see behind us. So you can choose to incorporate 1 or 2 colors, mix 3 colors together, or even turn some boards upside down for another color. So you have lots of options to customize your own wall. So come get your piece of history with these World War II planks in a variety of colors exclusively at Menards and Menards.com.